What did I ever do to make you so cold on me? What can I ever do to appease your heart? Oh no. How can you build a wall with so much crack on it? Ooh, tell me, oh my love, is this the love that you promised me? How can we live together with so much bitterness? I feel so pain, my heart is broken. I feel so down, no loving arms to lean on.
I still remember all the promises you made to me before slipping this ring into my finger, Desmond. Stella, I love you, and only you. I will adore you and cherish you. I'll protect you. I'll be your safety, and I will not let any harm come near you. I'll share my dreams, my aspirations, and my visions with you. I will not hurt you or make you cry. Unless, of course, I make you laugh so hard that you shed tears of joy. These were your words to me. These were the sweet words, the soothing, beautiful words you said to me before we got married. And I am not going to stop fighting for it. I won't stop fighting for you. I won't stop fighting for us. Desmond, I love you. I love you so much. Good night.
What did I ever do to make you so cold on me? What can I ever do to appease you?
Good morning. You off to work?
Isn't that obvious?
Yes, it is. But breakfast is ready. Please come eat.
I thought I made it clear that I prefer to eat in the office.
Yes, yes you did. But, babe, it is only traditional that every woman gets to make breakfast for their husband every morning.
Virtuous. Every virtuous woman.
Okay, I'd bring you to your office then.
That will be necessary.
Babe.
How can you build a wall with so much rock on it? Ooh, tell me, oh my love, is this the love that you promised me? How can we live together with so much
Hey.
You know you don't have to continue in this thing, Abby.
Continue what?
This marriage, it's obvious you're suffering, Desmond. Because which married man would prefer to eat breakfast in his office rather than what his wife makes for him in the morning?
I don't like to eat early.
Tell that to a stranger, not to me. What's really going on, my friend? What is happening, Desmond? You know, we've been friends since childhood and I know you. I can tell when you're happy and when you're not. Remember when Jessica cheated on you? I won't stop telling her how unhappy you were until you decided to open up. Tell me what's wrong.
I am fine. Okay?
Okay, well, this is the Jacko proposal. I worked on it during the weekend, so take a look. I noticed you didn't reply to your mail, so...
Thank you.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Stella! Stella!
I'm coming, please!
Let's go. We're going for a child's naming ceremony and not clubbing. Why are you wasting time?
I'm so sorry. Oh, my God. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I had to tidy up the house because Desmond might come home before me and I don't want him to meet the house untidy.
Hello, wife material. Let's go, Joe.
Sorry, please. I had to call him. I had to tell him I'm going out.
Wait, you have to call Desmond to tell him you're leaving for a child naming ceremony?
Yeah. He's my husband. I can't just go out without telling him. Hi, babe. I'm going out. I'm going for Martha's baby's naming ceremony, and you might get home before me. So your food is in the... Babe? Babe, this is not a party. It's Martha's...
Is this what you go through? For how long, Stella?
Since the night of our wedding.
Since what? Wait, that's like a year now. Wait, this has been going on for a year and I'm just getting to know?
Rita, this is my family. You don't expect me going to the world to shout about what is going on in my home.
Oh, I'm the word, right? I guess. Wow.
I didn't mean it that way.
No, that is what it is. Yes. I mean, we've been friends for all our lives and I am just getting to know. Come on, Stella.
Rita, it's nothing serious. We're working on it. We're really, really working on it.
You're
Yes.
working on it like this? Wait, this one I know adored you. That guy literally worshipped the store you stepped on. So whatever changed?
I don't know. Countless times I've asked him repeatedly, but all he does is just stare at me like one idiot. He wouldn't even say a word about it to me. He wouldn't even say anything. He just stares at me.
Is this the love that you promised me? How can we live together with so much bitterness?
Hey, babe, welcome back.
Thank you.
Food is ready. I made your favorite.
I'll come down after I freshen up.
All right, babe.
Yeah.
What's up, bro?
I'm fine, man. It's been a long time.
Yeah, your wife, how is she?
Oh, she's fine. How was studies?
I'm done, no.
That's good.
Yeah, coming back next week.
Okay, that's good.
You know, I've been away for a long time. I might take a month or two to decide where I want to settle and establish. So I was thinking if you could talk with the managers of any of the hotel you have a good relationship with, you know, so they could give me a reasonable discount since I'll be staying for a long time. I didn't save up so much, so I wouldn't want to waste it all on zero bills.
Man, why do I need to talk to the hotel when I'm at my house?
Bro, you guys are a young couple, and I mean, you know, you don't need a third party.
So you think you're going to come and stay in the same room with me and my wife, right?
Are you sure about this?
Look, I'll see you next week, okay?
Okay, thanks, bro. I really appreciate it, truly. I can bet you're going to get it.
Where?
I know win you.
Don't spot too. Don't forget your balls.
Play.
I'll finish you today.
Yeah,
You think
finish
it's
us.
you need this.
Finish us.
Now, wow!
What up?
Now, wow! It be like when I plan me come.
No good enough. Show him how it's done.
1-1.
Hater.
is.
Okay. Watch me finish you now. Somebody say finish me.
Sir.
Don't finish. Don't finish
Say
him up.
finish me.
Finish yourself.
Hey! You
Bola,
dey feel say na
do it. That's what's up,
that
baby.
nonsense wey you dey do when we dey school. I go win you, my brother. I go win you. I go win you. Forget. See men dey play
That's my
ball
ball,
now.
though, just so you know.
Hi.
Do this.
Let me end this thing once and for all.
I told you! I just allowed you to win. Forget that. You didn't allow me to win. Jack! Next time, don't try me.
They want you,
Well, next time, don't try me.
You've been won. You always give me back.
Don't try me again. That was a good one. That was a good one. was a good one.
Don't try me again, bro.
Good. Good boy.
I'm hungry. Want to eat something?
I'm
Drink
down.
something?
I'm down.
But trust you, food, everything there.
Where?
That kitchen now for you. Are you a stranger? Well, thank God he got you back home in one piece. I don't know why a grown-up woman like you cannot drive at night. All right, yeah, good night.
Everyone gets to see the happy and excited side of Desmond, besides me, his wife. Why are you treating me like this? Why are you treating me like a leper in my own matrimonial home? What crime did I commit that cannot be forgiven? What did I do? Desmond. Desmond, I'm talking to you. Don't ignore me. What crime did I commit aside loving and respecting you?
Respect? Did you just say respect?
Yeah.
Do you have the faintest idea of what the word respect represents or stands for? I don't think so. Just open your mouth and use the word respect anyhow.
Please. Please, tell me. Please. Talk to me. What did I do wrong? How and when did I disrespect you? Just let me know and I would apologize for the rest of my life. Please.
That's what I intend to make you do for the rest of your life.
I feel so pain, so pain. My heart is broken. I feel so down, so down, so down. I feel so pain, so pain.
He said all that?
Yes, he did.
And what did he say you did?
Nothing. He just stared at me as usual.
And you can't remember any time you disrespected him in public or something?
Rita, you know me. I can't even talk back at Desmond in bedroom, not to talk of disrespecting him in public. If Desmond as much as slapped me in public, I would just walk away. I would not even have the nerve to talk back at him.
Then what could be the problem?
I don't know. And it's eating me up. It's literally eating me up. I'm dying in silence. I don't know.
Can I ask you something?
Sure.
Please be sincere with me.
Rita, you know me. You know I would always be sincere with you.
Was there any time you cheated on Desmond or something?
God forbid. God forbid. I would never cheat on my husband. God forbid. Not in this world or the next. I would not. Rita!
Hold on. Don't get me wrong, okay? Hold on, don't get
I
me
never
wrong.
cheat on my husband.
Okay, I'm only asking. Don't get me wrong. I'm only asking because experience has it that cheating is about the only thing a man can never forgive. And I remember when you told me this has been going on for a year now. I'm wondering what could be the reason he is so angry?
I don't know. Well, I've never cheated on my husband. I've never even been with another man ever since I left Jerry for him.
Then what could be the reason? Have you tried talking to any of his friends? Maybe Fred or that is lady friend I'm not comfortable with.
I haven't. Though I've had the urge to speak to them about it. But each time I just think about his reaction to it, it just kills me, and it kills every urge to talk to his friends about it. So
Rita, this is your marriage. You should do whatever you can to keep it. Come on. You can talk to his friends, and if they really care about him, they should be able to tell you, except they don't know. And as for him knowing, just beg them not to tell him. Yeah.
Fred, it's been really hard. It hasn't been easy from the very first day we got married. I envisaged a marriage filled with joy, a smooth marriage, one that we would love ourselves and live a happy home. But the opposite is the case. I did not, yes, I understand that every relationship has its ups and downs. I did not even envisage a relationship that is, a marriage that is filled with unending problems. And to make it worse, I don't even know what the problem is. He has refused to talk to me about it.
I'm sorry, Stella.
Thank you.
I know I've noticed some familiar behavior in Desmond, but I didn't know it was this serious. I thought it was maybe normal couple wahala and all that, and definitely it will be resolved. I didn't know it was this serious.
He said he's punishing me for disrespecting him.
He said that?
Yes. And he said that I'll pay for it for the rest of my life. Fred, you're my husband's best friend. You both have you've literally been friends since childhood. Has he said anything to you that I did? I'm willing to apologize. Just please let me know.
Yes. No, actually. I don't know. But even if I had known, at least I would have done something about it. It would have been resolved by now.
So he didn't tell you anything? He didn't open up to you about what I did?
No, not at all. As a matter of fact, now that you said it, I'll talk to him.
No, please.
Why?
Please, I don't want him to get mad at me. The fact that he has not told you about it means that he doesn't want you to know, and I don't want to be a rebellious wife that goes about announcing her husband to his friends. Please, don't tell him.
So you're just going to sit back and suffer for a crime you know nothing about?
Fred, my husband, Desmond, is a good man. I believe that I may have done something to him that probably hurt his ego. So he's maybe punishing me for that. And perhaps I deserve it. I deserve what he's doing to me. So I'll just pray and work towards rekindling our love again. That's what I would do.
Well, I'm sorry about that. I really wish and pray that everything be sorted out as fast as possible.
Amen. Thank you.
It is well. It is well.
So everything for the gender presentation is ready. I've asked Adebayo to book a hotel and flights.
That's great. So guys, I know I am the lead presenter on this case, but I'll need you both to be on your A game in case need be.
Yeah.
I'm not going with you guys on this one.
What?
Just like I explained Cindy from the trial. We have to finish up that negotiation. We've been talking with you on the phone. I don't think it's necessary that I stay with him while he's here. That's true. Yeah, I'm not going to finish up the agenda.
Yeah, alright. So you need to make arrangements to begin with it.
Yeah, I'm picking him up myself and taking him straight to the hotel every morning.
So you need to tell Adebayo to book just 2 tickets and 2 rooms.
Okay, all right.
You know what? Don't worry, I'll do it myself. I need to discuss some things with him. I'll see you guys shortly, okay?
Have you noticed something off about him lately?
Oh, that's one.
Yes.
Yes, I have. And I even tried talking to him about it, and he shut me out. That got me really upset, because I've never seen him act this way before. Ever.
Stella came by the office yesterday.
Really? How come I didn't see her?
She didn't even step down from her car.
So, what did she say is the problem?
Don't worry.
But tell me now. Tell me.
If everything that woman said is true, then she really needs help.
What did she say?
She said something about Desmond giving her a cold shoulder ever since their marriage.
Cold shoulder. I thought as much.
Now, let me ask you. When was the last time Desmond was all over her and about her? So I thought. She said Desmond has not touched her ever since their marriage.
How is that possible? Desmond, that cannot keep his hands off Stella. Ha, I don't believe that. Okay, so what did she say is the problem?
That's where the problem is. The poor woman doesn't even know what the problem is. She said something about Desmond punishing her for disrespecting him.
Yeah. What kind of year punishment is that one? Omo, I go para for that guy when he comes back inside here.
No.
Change it for him.
No. Don't go there.
Why?
She actually begged me not to tell Desmond.
Did she say anything about him abusing her physically?
No. But that woman has had her own fair share of abuse emotionally.
But did she say anything about him abusing her physically?
But that woman has had her own fair share of emotional abuse.
You're welcome. Yeah, cousin. This is my wife, Stella. Stella Josh, my cousin.
Oh my God.
He'll be staying with us for some time till he gets his place. Please.
Your wife. Wow, she looks prettier in 3D.
Thank you. My husband here is so busy, so he totally forgot to tell me you were coming.
Yeah, skip my mind.
Yes. Welcome. How was your trip?
Thank you, it's fine.
Okay. So what would you like to eat?
Anything local, pounded yam and any local soup.
Got you.
Yes, okay. I'll just
All right.
show you to your room, okay? Please. So, bro, how's work been now?
Well, a little bit shaky here and there. But, you know, as far as there's a will, there's a way. Apart from the insecurities, I mean, anyone can make it here.
Yeah. But we hear and see about all the scary stuff happening in the country, especially the high risk of insecurity.
Well, that's about the biggest problem we're facing here.
Yeah. All right. I have a trip to catch tomorrow. I'll see you, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is everything all right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Everything is perfect. Hope you enjoyed the meal.
Are you kidding me? This is like the best meal I've had since I left the country.
Oh. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And about that, tell me, how long has it been since you left the country?
Say about 4 to 5 years. Yeah. Immediately after my 25th birthday.
Huh.
Yeah.
Okay, let me guess. You are 29, 30?
Wait.
30.
Oh my God. Did I give myself away?
I guessed right?
Wait. Thank you for the food. Oh my God.
You're welcome. Nice to have you.
Thank you.
I feel so pain, my heart is broken. I feel so down.
First, you brought your cousin to our home without telling me. And now you're traveling tomorrow and I'm just getting to find out over dinner? Like some servant? Desmond, has it gotten to this? I am your wife. This is our home. You can't take such decisions without consulting me.
When you decided to disrespect me and give me reasons to not trust you anymore, did you consult me?
I don't understand what you're saying. Disrespect you. Break your trust. What are you talking about?
Well, you can pretend all you want. But one day, you'll decide to come true, apologize, and confess all your atrocities. But I only hope that day, I will still be around.
What do you mean by that? Desmond, what are you talking about? Because I don't know, what crime did I commit that I don't even remember? Desmond, what are you saying? Just talk to me. What is it? What are you saying?
If you as much as touch me with those your unfaithful hands, I swear to God, I will forget everything civil and moral about me, and I will waste it on you. Dare me and see.
Ever do to make you so cold on me? What can I ever do to appease your heart? Oh, How can you build a wall with so much crack on it? Ooh.
Stella, are you all right?
Yes. I'm good. You're back so early.
We left early. We were able to beat the traffic. Why are you crying?
It's just so difficult to live a day without your brother.
Are you two kidding me? How? Is this why you're moody? Come on, Stella. That's what happened when we were in the car. He was just moody all through. Come on, you guys are not kids anymore. You're not going to live with yourselves forever, every day. Come on.
I know, but it's still very difficult.
I'm here for you. I'm always here to keep you company. Don't cry again. What did you cook? What's in the kitchen?
Yes, I made scrambled eggs and boiled yam.
Boiled yam?
Yes. Look at your face. Well, I asked Desmond this morning to tell me your favorite, and he said scrambled eggs and boiled yam, so I made it for you.
Boiled yam it has been. Boiled yam it will be and shall ever remain.
All right. Let me serve you.
Thank you. Dining it is.
All right, I'm coming.
Well, let me change.
Okay.
As in, this is not cool at all. Those people who fix appointments with you and not still honor it. Abba, imagine the way he just flippantly said that we should come in the morning, like we don't have businesses to tend to. Does he know we have exorbitant hotel bills to pay here?
Amanda, you've been in this business for quite some time now. You should be used to things like this.
But it's not fair. It's still not fair.
So what should we do? See, let's go to a hotel, eat some food, and gist.
So, was he able to fix everything?
Yeah, I picked the car from the shop and got here straight.
You drove here?
Yeah.
I thought you used an Uber.
Nah, I'm done with Uber. Now that my car is settled, I can now focus on the house in Matters Estate.
Yeah, about that. How much is the rent per year?
1.7 million.
What? That's a lot! 1.7 million! Rita, are you sure you can handle that?
Hey,
I
babe.
mean, the place you are in now is really nice, and it's just for 900,000 naira.
Babes, calm down. A girl has to upgrade. Come on. Don't you know that the kind of house you live in or the kind of cars you drive determines the kind of money men give you?
Really?
Yeah, really.
What do you need men's money for?
Babe,
You are a working class lady and you earn so much. So why are you talking about men's money?
my salary is for savings and investments. And then those ones is for baby girl's life, and that is their money. Yeah.
Baby girl's life. Okay. Hi, Josh. Meet my friend, Rita.
hi.
Rita, Josh, my husband's cousin. He just got back from the States.
Nice to meet you, Rita.
Josh, how you doing? Hi, Josh.
Hi, Rita.
So, what did you bring from the States?
Oh, your friend already collected everything, but not to worry. I'll arrange something for you.
Okay.
Are you going out?
I have an appointment with an acquaintance, but I'll be back in an hour or two tops.
Okay, I might be going out as well.
Oh, really?
Yes.
See you then. Take care of yourself.
All right, see you.
Bye.
Bye.
Come out your iPhone, but do you not get money to give you?
Babe, I'll
What does your
fine.
baby girl life? He doesn't have the money to foot those bills.
We're fine now. It's fine.
Excuse me. Hello? You can go. Yes. Let's go.
Okay. Didi! How far, babe?
He said I can go.
Okay, so I'll go get my card and we'll get going.
Come pick me up. Girl, I have my own car.
Hello. Babes, we can't go in different cars. Come on, I'm a car owner.
Yeah, right.
Yep. It's open.
Okay.
We're still up.
Maybe you know that I don't know how to sleep anytime I'm outside my house. Shift job.
Oh, you're Wahala. I remember when you forced Fred and I to stay up with you till about 4 a.m. We almost missed our appointment with the minister. All thanks to you.
Anyways, what are you up to?
Fred sent me a blueprint. The mall in Lekki. We're trying to do some renovations there.
Okay.
Just making some adjustments.
Okay.
What?
Hey, what's all this? What's all this nonsense? Hey? See, I'm going to kill this guy. I'm really going to kill this guy. Actually said the car was in perfect shape. What's all this? What's up? Any luck with a ride? I can't find any ride. Ah! What's all this now? What kind of nonsense is this? Okay, why don't we just take a walk in front there or something? We might get luck.
Take a walk, so that they'll kidnap me.
Then what do
If
we
you're just
do?
left, if you're just left on time, I won't be stranded here.
I'm sorry. I was enjoying the party.
Or are you enjoying the fact that we are stranded now? Are you enjoying it?
What's up? Have you seen a ride?
No. I'm calling my husband.
Then who are you calling now?
My husband.
Oh.
Who's it?
It's nobody.
It's Stella, your wife. You said her name is Stella.
That's her name.
Are you kidding me? Pick a call, Joe. Take.
Hello?
So he can ask Josh to come pick us up.
I just hope so.
Hello, hi, babe. Babe, Rita and I are stranded. Her car broke down.
You mean you're still out at this time?
Her car broke down and we've been trying to get a taxi for some hours now and we couldn't. I wanted, baby, it's not my fault. I wanted to leave, but Rita begged me that she was enjoying the party, so she just begged me to stay a little longer. That's why. I'm so sorry.
Well, I'm out in town, so why are you calling my phone?
Baby, I know you're out of town, but please, can you just call Josh to come pick us up? This place, I'm really scared. This place is not nice at all. Please, babe. All right. What's up? What does he say? I don't know. We'll wait for Josh.
What's it? Is she okay?
Oh, she'll be fine.
Huh?
She said she's stranded and she wants me to call my cousin to pick her up.
So what are you waiting for? Call your damn cousin. D, take now. Why are you being like this? Call your cousin.
Hello, bro. Yeah, I even wanted to call you. It's almost midnight and your wife is not back yet. What? Okay. Send me her contact out. Yes. All right, no problem.
What's the problem? You know you can always talk to me. What is really the problem? Like, what is really going on? Do you know, like, whatever it is affecting your work and your person. Now you're so grumpy, always looking for an excuse to be by yourself. And this that just happened. I mean, what kind of a man would be this unbothered, knowing that his wife is out there somewhere, by herself at this time of the night, knowing fully well how this country can be? Sorry to say, you're becoming heartless. What is it?
Maybe it's just a man who feels betrayed. A man who gave everything, who showed all the love he had in him to this woman, but yet he was paid back with deceit and unfaithfulness.
And then these sins cannot be forgiven and you to move on?
Not if you walked into your wife having sex with another man on the morning of your wedding.
What?
Hey, Desmond, why are you not dressed yet?
I want to confirm if she has the rings with her. I'm a man. 10 minutes, I'm dressed.
Okay.
Huh?
By the way, Mark is around, so she asked that I excuse them.
Mark, her ex?
Yes. Someone called that the mom is dead, so he came to congratulate her before leaving.
All right.
But why then did you continue with the wedding?
I was too devastated to even think straight.
Man, I'm I'm so sorry, Desmond. No wonder you were so unhappy throughout the wedding. But why didn't you talk to us, Fred or myself? Why didn't you talk to any of us?
So that you guys will laugh at me again?
Laugh at you, care. What kind of friend will laugh at a friend in this situation?
Well, you guys have done it before, remember?
When? Onyinye. We're kids that time. And besides, that girl, we're not in support of that affair. She wasn't into you as much as you were into her.
Well, now you know why.
Well, your wife told us. I mean, she told Fred everything when she came to the office. Everything that's been happening since you guys got married. As in, the poor woman doesn't know why she's being treated this way. She has no single idea why she's being punished. Have you thought of sitting down with her to have a discussion about this thing? Even if you cannot forgive her, at least let her know her crime.
And what would it change? Would it change the fact that she cheated on me? Or the fact that I still hear her voice mourning to another man's strokes every time I close my eyes?
It doesn't change anything. It doesn't change anything at all. But at least, it will ease the pain you feel here. This pain that you've been battling with, it will ease it off. Didi, sorry, take it easy. Let me go and sleep. Good night to you and God bless.
What you miss?
Miss you. I always miss you now, you know. But I'm tired.
Oh my God. Please, are you all right?
Thank you so much. Thank you so
I
much.
was already getting worried.
Thank you. I really appreciate you.
Okay, so
I'm
can we
good.
leave
I'm
now?
good. Yes.
You're not going to leave your battery here like this.
We should leave it tomorrow. We'll just look for a way to sort
Are you sure
everything
it's
out.
okay? Okay,
yeah, please.
Let's just...
All right, thank you so much. I really
No,
appreciate
it's okay.
Get the bags. I've been trying to call my husband, but he's not taking my calls.
I think he'll be sleeping by now. You know, it's very late.
Yeah, you're right. Josh? Thank you. I really, really appreciate you.
Come on, Stella. Listen, just go up, freshen up, rest. You look exhausted already.
I am exhausted.
I have to go to bed because I have to wake up in the morning for early morning jogging.
Jogging?
Yes.
I used to love jogging.
So what happened?
I got married.
Okay, and who said that married women cannot jog? you know what? Just go and rest. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
My heart is broken. I feel so down, in the middle of a cold night, no one to call to me. No loving arms, no loving arms to lean on. Oh yeah, I've tried my best to know what's on your mind.
Who is there?
Is the only person with you in this house.
Good morning. Josh, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, so I want you to meet me downstairs in the next 5 minutes.
Meet you downstairs. Yes. What's happening downstairs?
We're going jogging.
Oh, jogging.
Where I come from, married women jog. So meet me downstairs.
Okay.
And hey, don't keep me waiting.
I'll try.
All right. Gently. Sorry. Gently.
Oh my God.
My brother is going to kill me. Sorry.
Just rest a bit.
So sorry. Oh my God. Okay, let's go there. Sorry. I wish I could carry you. Sorry. All right. Can you lie down? Okay, so I'm going to take this off now.
Okay. Ah, oh.
Sorry. Just endure.
Wait.
Sorry. I don't want you to swell. Let's just...
Yes.
Just endure.
Endure the pain.
Can I remove this?
Yeah, please take this off as well.
How do you feel? How is it now?
Oh, it hurts. It hurts so bad.
You know what is going to happen? Let me get you a massage to help you massage this, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Here. Sorry.
Oh.
Sorry. Sorry.
Oh my God.
Are you sure I can touch this?
It's just I'll bear the pain.
It's just massage oil.
Yes. Gosh.
We have to do this so it doesn't swell.
Okay.
Long enough for me to be able to make this.
You cooked?
Yes, I had to. I figured you couldn't stand, so I couldn't let myself starve. Sorry.
Yourself?
Yes, you thought I made this for you. Come on.
All right, take your food away then.
I was joking.
No, you weren't.
I was joking. If I wanted to make food that I would eat, I would just boil yam and eat now. Look what I made.
Spaghetti.
Your favorite, right?
Uh-huh. How did you know?
I called Rita and she told me.
Thank you.
Don't worry, let me feed you.
No, please. I only sprained my ankles, not my arm.
Okay.
Happy with that.
No wahala, Sha.
Josh, all the years you've spent in America, you still don't know how to use their accents. What is no alasha? Like a very ras person.
Oh, accents help. Listen, leave them to do their own. Let us do our own. I'm a complete Naija boy for life. Yes, so... Okay.
Thank you. This looks nice. Let me have a taste of this.
One of my very good secrets is I'm a very good cook.
But this is my stew now. It's only spaghetti that you bought.
I forgot. I wanted to take credit for everything.
This is my stew. Don't take the glory for my stew. I'm coming.
It's okay, I'll get it. Hi. Bro.
How are you?
You didn't call to tell me to come pick you up.
No, I used a taxi.
Babe, I didn't know you were coming. I sprained my ankle.
I took her out for jogging with me this morning. Right. Okay.
Babe, I'm sorry.
It's okay, don't worry, I'll talk to him.
Don't worry, you don't have to talk to him. I'll sort that out. Were you so angry that you couldn't show sympathy?
I should sympathize with someone who has made disrespecting me her hobby. I asked you not to go out jogging, but then I turned my back and what did you do? The same thing I told you not to do.
Desmond, what is so wrong with jogging? What is so wrong with jogging? I jogged before we met. Even while we were courting, I jogged. So why should now be different? What makes it different now?
Well, it's different now because you are married to me. You are my wife. And I own you. You do what I say you should do. When I say it and how I say it. Okay? Okay?
Please just pick. Please. Babe, just pick up, please.
You're still not picking.
No. I shouldn't have disobeyed him and gone jogging with you.
Stella, come on, you didn't do anything wrong. For crying out loud, he is your husband. You are not his servant. Come on. Your health, your happiness is supposed to be his priority.
I'm happy.
Tell that to the kids in kindergarten, Stella. Listen, I see everything that happens in this house. I noticed he didn't tell you that I was coming, even after I've given him 1 week notice. When you sprained your ankle 5 days ago, he didn't even tell you sorry. The night he told me to go pick you up when you were stranded, he didn't call me to ask if I've picked you guys up. Stella, listen, I know that I'm not married, but I know that my wife's health and happiness should be my priority.
Just pick up my call.
Still not picking. Thank God.
Oh my God. Thank you, Jesus. Babe. You got me worried. You're drunk. Babe, I think you've had enough for the night.
Were you to tell me what I've had? I've been spending time with my loyal bottles. You okay? You know how the bottles are loyal. It's better than a cheating wife.
Cheating wife?
Stop with the pretense. You know what I'm talking about. You
Babe.
cheap whore. Don't touch me.
Babe, you're drunk. Let's go upstairs.
Don't you touch me. I'm not going anywhere with you. I am not going anywhere with you. Okay? I'm tired of this charade you call it marriage. The little pretense here and there. Sick and tired of it.
Babe, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm confused. What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about. The morning of our wedding, room 205. Does it ring a bell?
Okay.
Since you want to talk,
What about room 205?
let us talk about it. What about room 205? Your bloody ex-boyfriend came to see you on the day of our wedding, and then she told her friend, Rita, that he lost his mother. Well, that was a ploy, so that he can get into her pants and get Rita out of the room. I came there, and I heard every single thing. I heard every single thing that was happening in room 205. That is stuck in my head. Room 205. My wife was having sex.
Having what?
Okay, Bright, I think you're drunk. Now you scared of this. Sit your ass down. Yes. I heard everything. You lied to me. You told me you were done with him. He disrespected you. He abused your body, abused your emotions, but yet, you were having sex with your ex on the day of our wedding. You shameless whore. Get out of my sight before I hit you. Get out. Get out. Stella, calm down. Calm down. Can you calm down?
He said room 205, right?
Yes.
That's what he said?
Yes.
Hi, Rita. Do you remember our room number?
What's the number?
The one we stayed during my wedding.
What's that? Room 305.
305. Not 205.
305. That was the same room we stayed during Martha's wedding.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. He said 205, right?
Yes, that's what you said.
All right. Thank you.
So what then happened in 205?
Desmond. I was never in room 205.
You sleep with me and then you'd ignore my calls. You had me twice, used me to quench your frustration like I was your adulterous wife, and turned around to act like all dumb with me all through. That was the same thing you did just before you met Stella. You used me to satisfy your sexual desires, and once she showed up, you acted like I never existed.
You shameless whore! Shameless whore! My God will punish your mother! God will punish you! You are shameless! You are shameless! You cheating bastard! Cheating bastard! You castigated me for a whole year for a crime I know nothing about! And you go about sleeping with your so-called best friend! How shameless are you, Desmond? How shameless are you?
Stella, you are the shameless one. You are very shameless. I heard everything. Room 205. You are more than loud. Very loud. Having sex with your ex on the morning of our wedding. You are shameless, Stella.
I was never in room 205!
You were in room 205! I heard everything!
Room 305, you moron! Room 305!
Yes, she actually called Rita, her friend, and she confirmed that she was in room 305 and not room 205. I know what I heard, okay? I heard her mourning. Ooh, loud mournings. Choke me. She was telling her ex to choke her on the morning of our wedding day. She's a cheat. I heard every single thing.
How do you know how I'm on when you had never had sex with me? You never had sex with me. We promised each other not to have sex until the night of our wedding. Remember? That was your way of proving to me that you were different from my ex. You only have sex with me. How did you know how I mourn? So how could you have known how I mourn when you never had sex with me? How could you have known that I was the one in room 205 when you never had sex with me? How?
No, you really messed up, bro. You really messed up. Stella.
In the middle of a cold night, no one to condole me. No loving arms, no loving arms to lean on. Oh yeah, I've tried my best to know what's on your mind. Ooh, it's really, really hurting to know that the pain is coming from you. Oh, I feel so pained, I feel so pained, I feel so shattered, I feel so shattered. Would you tell me, tell me what I did to you? I feel so pain, so pain. My heart is broken, my heart is broken. I feel so...
I'm sorry, Stella.
How could he hurt me like this? For a whole year, I suffered for a crime I know nothing about. I was celibate for a whole year, waiting for him, waiting for when he's ready, waiting for when he would forgive me for whatever crime I committed, not knowing that he was busy, very busy, cheating on me with Amanda,
okay.
his so-called best friend.
It's okay. Listen, I totally understand how you feel, Stella. Trust me. And you have every right to be mad. But I just want you to calm down so you guys can talk this through. I'm even happy that now the truth is out in the open. Everything was a misunderstanding from the beginning. Please, I just want you to calm down and talk this through with him. Please. Please stop crying.
I don't even know where to start from. You two have been sleeping with yourself all these years and I never knew?
It stopped. From the moment you started dating Stella, it stopped.
Until you decided to rekindle it in Abuja. Huh? What kind of friends are you? What kind of friends engage in random sex?
It wasn't random, at least not for me. I've loved Desmond, and I still do.
Will you just shut up? You realize he's married? How will you feel if someone is sleeping with your husband or your husband sleeping with another woman? And you, Desmond, I'm totally disappointed. I'm ashamed. You subjected that woman to so much emotional torture for something she didn't know about. While you are here busy, knocking this one up right and center. I am disappointed. In short, I hope you guys will never knock for this office, Abi. I can't stand the sight of you.
Wonder shall never end. Wow. I'm not surprised anyways. I mean, I knew there was something unusual about that friendship. I mean, what kind of woman, in her right senses, would allow a man be her bestie, especially someone else's husband? Babes, you're the one that caused all this mess, so you're the reason for all this mess. I'm telling you.
How was I to know?
How?
They are childhood besties.
Knocking partners, babes. They were knocking partners. Besties with knocking agenda. Sorry.
What's funny?
Sorry. Okay, now that you know, what are you going to do?
Nothing. I just know that things can never be the same between us anymore.
I understand actually. Whatever decision you make, hey, I'm here for you anytime, any day, okay? Besides, you need to relax and give yourself a baby girl treatment, you know? You need to rest, give yourself a baby girl treatment for the reminder of your Wahala life.
Wahala life? What do you mean by Wahala life?
Now. First, they accuse you of sleeping with your ex on your wedding day. Then you go a whole year without. Babes, what else? This is more than suffering now. You've seen a lot on earth already.
You're mad. You're crazy.
I'm sure they're going to need this virgin you all over.
You're very stupid.
Baby, don't
What's funny?
Sorry.
What's funny about all of this now?
Wow. Sorry, babes, I'm sorry. Okay, fine. Heaven is your goal. Sorry, now. I was only stating the obvious. I'm sorry.
Welcome. Hey, bro. How far now?
I know what's work.
Yeah, great. Where's my wife?
She should be upstairs.
Ah.
I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Why? Where are you going to?
I got an already furnished apartment and I'll be moving in the morning.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
Anyways, thanks for looking after my wife.
Come on, she's my sister-in-law. But please, make sure that you guys settle, okay?
It's all right. Thank you, man.
Go and rest.
Hey, baby.
Babe. You're back.
Yep.
How was work?
Work was fine.
Yes.
What is it?
Babe, what is it?
Nothing. I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I'm fine. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Yeah.
Oh my, look at
Oh
you!
my God. What are you doing?
It's so nice to see you.
Last time I heard they said you were in Port Harcourt. What are you doing in town?
Well, like I came back 2 months ago.
Oh my God. Stella, listen, I heard what happened when I left the house. I'm so sorry.
Thank you. I tried to stay back. I wanted to do everything I can to make it work. I couldn't just get over the fact that he cheated on me. So divorcing him was the best option. It was best for the both of us. So yeah.
I understand. I totally understand how you feel. It's really nice seeing you again. Come on.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
It's really nice seeing you. Josh, thank you. I just want to say thank you for everything you did for me. Thank you for always being there. I never really got the chance to tell you how grateful I am.
Stella.
Thank you so much.
You don't have to. More so, I was looking out for your brother. Okay?
Thank you.
It's fine. It's okay.
How about I invite you to my house this weekend, Saturday.
Okay.
Don't worry, I'll cook your favorite. Boiled yam and scrambled eggs.
Stella, the only reason I would not be in your house this Saturday is because I will be in your house this Saturday. Saturday it is.
All right.
See you on Saturday.
All right, see you on Saturday. I can't wait to have you. All right, have a great day.
And please, all right, so you would,
I'll forward you the address on
all right,
WhatsApp.
thank you.
Yeah,
See you
bye.
soon.
See you.
What did I ever do to make you so cold on me? What can I ever do to appease your heart? Oh, no. How can you build a wall with so much crack on it? Oh, tell me, oh my love, is this the love that you promised me? How can we live together with so much bitterness? I feel so pain, my heart is broken. I feel so down, I feel so pain, my heart is broken. I feel so down. In the middle of a cold night, no one to condole me. No loving arms to lean on. Oh yeah, I've tried my best to know what's on your mind.